Well, guess what now? We're going to get some egg shakers because we're at the egg farm. That's where our cars have brought us to. Come to the egg farm and get your eggs. One for you, one for your mommy, your daddy. One for your daddy or one for your mommy. We need another one for daddy. Very good. Now, let's have a seat, everybody. Let's have a seat. And remember, we're working on smooth today. What's the word for smooth? It's legato in music. And we're also doing bumpy. What's the word for bumpy? Staccato. Can we move smoothly? So we can move our shakers smoothly. Smoothly. We can rub it on our bellies if we like. We can rub between our hands. Now how about bumpy? Okay, explore different ways to move smooth and bumpy to this song. So, bumpy. Oh, we can go smooth. What you want? Oh, we like jumping. Okay, Shazia, we can jump. This is bumpy. Does anybody else have any other ideas? What else can we do? Right? Oh, we can swirl. That's it. Let's swirl. Oh, very good swirling. You can make it go right ahead. And we can also jump at the same time. And we can come down. Right? We can roll. I can keep jumping if we like. Oh, I like that. Rolling, smoothly. What do you think, Shazia? What good egg shakers you all are. You can come to the egg farm anytime.